decided to start somewhat of a mini vlog, you know. But I'm supposed to post this video about 5 days ago. What's today, the 4th? 3 days ago for New Year's. Fuck! Fucking hand cleaning this shit, guys. But anyway, let me see. Hold up. Don't have my tripod yet. Well, ooh, looking nice out here, nigga. Come on, focus. There we go. Better than it was. Anyway, guys, I just want to talk to you guys about New Year's resolutions. You know what I'm saying? My New Year's resolution is to post a lot more, but not give you guys ass quality. You know, hope you guys can hear me, because I don't have my mic, external mic on. Well, attachment mic on, because it's windy as fuck. Anyway, it's just so nasty out here. But anyway, out here walking my dog, you know, shit sucks. But I wanted to tell you guys that my New Year's resolution is to get back in the fucking gym, you know. I get back to that gym life, you know. This whole time I just been eating and sitting on the couch, you know, and posting more on YouTube, you know. I gotta post more because I just think of it as if I post ass quality, I'm just bullshitting myself and bullshitting you guys. So I'm trying to give you guys what you want and also what I want, and that's good quality. You can't give y'all niggas half-ass quality, you know. And my New Year's resolution is also to stop having negativity in my life. I'm crying like a little bitch, but it's just freezing, man. If y'all niggas know what it is like here, it's just brick. This fucking sucks. But anyway, out here crying. I'll talk to y'all when I get back inside. It's too brick. What's up, guys? I'm back in the crib. It's fairly warm, but it is still cold, bro. My feet are still defrosting. But anyway, back to my New Year's resolution. But yeah, I was about to say, this year I just want to block all the negativity out of my life. I want to do good, and I want to just be a happy person. You know, last year I had a bumpy ride. I was at the top, you know, I felt great, and everything just went downhill. I'm not even gonna lie. But I'm just trying to change that this year. This year, I want nothing but positivity, good people around me. And if there are negative people in your life and you feel like that's dragging you down, but you're so scared to say something, just cut them off and see how good your life goes, you know? Pray to God that God cuts out everything in your life that's doing you wrong or is a burden to you, you know? But that's what this year's all about, you know? I'm gonna start posting more. Like I said, I don't want to give you guys ass quality, you know? Before I was so hyped for YouTube, I was like, all right, I'm about to post one to 5 times a week, you know what I'm saying? But now, I want to be consistent, like at least post once a week, but it has to be good quality. I'm not about to rush something out just because the next person is doing that, you know? But I promise everything's gonna get better. And I promise you, man, this year is all me. AHS fam, we're gonna stay strong this time. And your boy will be back next week. Florida, you know what I'm saying? Florida, I told you guys I was going there. But the 13th, I'll be there for like 8 days, so there's so much exploring, so much more pranks, so much more vlogs, everything just lit, you know? And I'm gonna bring that to you. Catch you guys later. It's your boy HS, and I'll see you next time. You know what I'm saying? I am just an icon living. I am just an icon.
I am not a Mayan, I'm a menace. It's wild, you can lie like a professor. I don't got the time to put you on a stretcher. I am here.